glass. This mascara sucks. Today we're testing Dollar Tree makeup. I recently went to the Dollar Tree and picked up a ton of makeup that they have. So if you want to see if Dollar Tree makeup is worth the money, then just keep watching this video. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in like forever. Hopefully we're gonna find something good. I found a ton of great stuff, and my Dollar Tree is right next to McDonald's, and I haven't had McDonald's in forever, so I did get myself some chicken nuggets and fries, and I will see you guys in the testing. Okay, I've got you guys zoomed in. I did not get any eyeshadows or anything. I really didn't see anything that was very interesting there. The first thing is actually a skincare tool. This is by Be Pure. It's a vibrating under eye massager. This is the only thing I've already actually tested because I wanted to see if it actually worked. So I've tested it out for a few days now. I don't know that it's actually doing anything different with my eyes, but it is nice. I've just been applying the serum to my face, rubbing it in slightly, and then using this to massage it in, especially like my under eyes and around my nose, like smile line area. I'd say if you're looking for an under eye massager, you only have to spend $1.25. So we're gonna move straight on into foundation. I went ahead and primed my skin my way. I found this super cutesy foundation. This is the Pro Luxe Matte Foundation. Cruelty-free to achieve a flawless matte finish with our lightweight foundation. I did notice it was already open. Someone opened it from the bottom. I noticed that after the fact, so I'm a little scared. No! Somebody used this. I got mine in the shade Ivory, which I assume should be the right shade. I'm just gonna get a little bit to start with because I'm not really a matte foundation kind of gal. It smells perfumey. I am just gonna be blending it in with a sponge. Is it just disappearing? Like, is the shade match that good, or is the makeup just completely disappearing off my face? I guess we'll try to build it up a little bit. Okay. I'm definitely seeing like coverage. There's quite a bit of coverage actually. Does this seem matte to you guys? Like maybe it's because I'm using a damp sponge and that usually makes foundations dewier. It looks dewy. Sadly, they also did not have a bronzer in my shade. But we do have a couple of options for blush, which I'm super excited about. We have the Ione Lip and Cheek Tint in Bonnie Pink. And then we also have the Marie Claire Liquid Blush in Soft Pink. I'm super excited for both these. The packaging is so stinking cute on both of them. This is glass. Ione! Oh my gosh, it smells, oh! It smells like a cherry popsicle. This to me looks like it's supposed to dupe the Charlotte Tilbury. It's not used, that's a plus. Oh, how exciting. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's like a baby pink. Okay, I'm actually a little nervous about that. A little swipe. That is actually so beautiful. What? It's sticking a little bit, like it's a little patchy. Oh, it seems, is it removing my bronzer? It's so dewy. We are still also gonna try this. No, there's like not anything coming out. I think this is mostly air. It's very baby pink. Maybe blend it in with it. I think that's kind of nice. I definitely think if you're going to get a blush from the Dollar Tree, you should get the Ione. The packaging, one, is fantastic. Two, it's highly pigmented and smells amazing. They didn't have any powder blushes or highlighters that I found interesting, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. My brows, my eyeliner, and then we have more to test out. Okay, so I have everything else done. They did have a ton of eyeliners, but I've had a really bad experience with like cheap eyeliners, and I'm honestly just a little scared to use them because I've had ones dry out my skin and make my skin crack around my eyes, and I didn't want to do that. But I did get a mascara to test out. Now, I do want to give this the fairest chance, so I am going to use my lash primer, but this is the By Beauty Intuition Plumping Mascara. I'm not really sure how a mascara is plumping, but okay. It's like peanut shaped. Oh no! I was so afraid of it being too liquidy and doing that because they're always way too watery and they just flick everywhere. It's just too liquidy. Like, can you guys even see a difference? From this angle, it looks like it's doing so good. And then I look straight on and it's doing like almost nothing. I'm not actually gonna bother to worry about like waiting on this to dry to do a second coat because I also got lashes and lash glue to test out. So let's just skip on into that. Now, Ione has a ton of lashes, but I also have a ton of Ione lashes. So I decided to get these Ardell ones. These are the Ardell Professional Texturize. They're very pretty. I have not worn a pair of fake lashes in a really long time. I've been either doing lash extensions or mascara. I have not worn fake lashes in so long. So fingers crossed. These lashes just look so nice and wispy. Now they do have like a clear band, which I don't usually get along with very well, but we'll see. And then I also got this Ione lash glue. This is the Everlasting Lash Glue. It's a new formula, 100% vegan, fast drying, gentle, latex free, long lasting, and it's in black. I am a little scared of that. Let's try it. I'm kind of excited because I currently don't have a very good lash glue, which is like half the reason I haven't been wearing fake lashes. Okay, it does just have like a really fine little brush applicator. It says fast drying. That also kind of scares me. What's happening? Did I do it? I'm gagged. Oh my god. Okay, I did get a little bit of glue. I think I got it off. That's the most beautiful lash I've ever seen in my life. What? Okay, I'm gonna go put the other one on. I'm so excited. What? Okay, so I'm a little nervous about showing you guys this, but Ione and Ardell? I mean, I already knew I liked Ardell lashes. Don't get me wrong. The thing I was the most worried about was the lashes. Now this one went on a little wonky. We'll forget it. These are probably my new favorite lashes. Well, I feel pretty good moving into the lip portion. I have a few options for lip, but I think I know what I want to do. We have the Ione Butter Bay Lip Pencil. This is in True Brown. Honestly, I mostly got this because I really needed a brown lip liner. I like don't have a True Brown lip liner, so oh, that is definitely True Brown. Then I also have the Ione Wrangler Pout Paint, and I got mine in Liberty Coral. I'm probably not going with a red lip. They had like a nude, but it didn't really look like a nude that I think I would like. But I'm really excited to see what the formula is like of this. It smells about the same. It has that same like, oh, okay, that's not at all what I thought it was gonna be like. I wonder if it's like a stain. Yeah, okay, it said this liquid applies like ink. So it is like a lip stain. I thought it was gonna be like a blurring lip products that are really popular right now. Okay, I tried not to get too much LA Colors because that's a little boring, but LA Colors had a couple of these dual lip liners. I got the Dreamy Delight. One, it has a sharpener included, but it has something to line your lips and to fill your lips. Like one side is lining, one side is filling, which I think is really interesting. This is what we have. So we're gonna try it. It's just like a oh my gosh. Okay, I definitely thought that one side would have been smaller than the other. Okay. I'll just line my lips with this huge lip crayon. What? The line's like not very good. I'm wondering if this side's gonna be creamier. This is the fill side, but I feel like it's gonna be the same. No, it's a little creamier. That is very bright. Let's just, for the gosh darn heck of it, let's just throw on the brown. Okay, I actually think I like the brown better. It's definitely a lot creamier. I'm gonna take the fill color again and try to blend it a little bit better. I I actually think that lip combo is a lot better. These two shades, though they look very different, are really, really similar, and I just don't think that works for a lip liner lipstick combo. I'm gonna go finish my hair really quick, and I'll be back to tell you guys my final thoughts. I just looked at the clock and realized I'm almost late, so I'm gonna have to wrap up this video real quick. Here is the finished look. And I have 3 separate piles here. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think are absolute do not waste your dollars, what's iffy, and what you should definitely run and go buy right now. The first thing that's not worth your money is gonna be this Marie Claire blush. I'm pretty sure this is mostly full of air, and I know they have another color, at least one other color. This one, I'm fairly pale. Like, this is not gonna show up on almost anyone's skin. The mascara, you can find really good cheap mascaras, you know, for under $10. Definitely worth spending more than $1.25 on. This mascara sucks. Would not recommend. This dual lip liner is okay, but the shades are so similar that I just don't really think it works. Like, I don't really think it's worth your money if the shades are gonna be that similar. It's basically just one color. I can't really speak on the pout paint because I didn't use it, so it's just kind of iffy. The foundation wasn't terrible. 2 coats was pretty good coverage, and it's not matte. It's nothing crazy. Like, my skin looks okay. I'm not mad at it, but the under eye massager is pretty good, but I don't actually know that it's really doing anything. It's really nice for the mornings, but I don't know, it's nothing crazy. And the things that you absolutely should run and get right now are these Ardell lashes. They're absolutely beautiful. I love them. This Ioni lash glue, so far, amazing. I'll let you guys know later how everything lasts, but so far, I mean, these are holding on really well, and I'm super excited to see if they stay where they're supposed to. The Ioni lip and cheek tint, absolutely 100%. I'm gonna go get the other color. There was at least 2 colors. I'm absolutely going to go get the second one because this was beautiful. I love it. And honestly, this Ioni lip liner, I'm not surprised almost everything's by Ioni. I have loved them so far, everything I've tried. You need this lip liner. I would assume that they have more shades. I definitely want to check out and see if they have more shades. It's really nice, and it's actually still on my hand. I tried to like wipe it off, so it seems as though it might actually be like maybe a little waterproof, or at least like have some lasting power. So I'm really excited to see how this makeup lasts throughout the day. I will definitely check back in and let you guys know. Okay, so this is not a very late check-in, but it's been about 5 hours. It's a little rough. The lip liner has kind of stayed. It's not bad. The foundation, I feel like, is almost non-existent. The lashes are a problem, but to be fair, this is kind of like a problem that happens with me regularly. They're still holding on really well here, so I think I just didn't glue it down very well, and this one was already like it kind of glued to the wrong spot. I would say if you apply this with this lash glue, you have to apply it quickly. I actually have quite a bit more lip product left than I would think. The lash glue, I mean, you can see the lash glue is holding on. Oh, ignore that. Obviously, you're not typically gonna tug at your lashes like that, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was a little bit of fun. Please let me know some Dollar Tree things that you absolutely love. I know one major thing that I love from the Dollar Tree are the Ioni lashes. As you guys saw in my huge collection, there is no reason to spend $20 on a single pair of lashes if you can get some wonderful lashes for $1.25. Like, I literally would consider them Lily Lash. Like, they are almost as good as Lily Lashes. I'm just saying. I've tried both. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!